88-89. Okay.
I'm pretty sure
Good.
the girl's going to be down this game.
Go, baby. Ross, smart fucking ball.
It won't be the girl playing this thing.
Let's go, Gant. You want me to go to that pillbox off break?
I want you to come with me through the middle.
Or you want me to stop a little short and just shoot for them?
Maybe. There's a tree that can block you, but if not, get in there. Okay?
All right. I'll play it by ear.
Yeah. But Ross, we're going to set you up to come over, okay?
Okay.
Hey, bring it in, guys. Bring it in real quick.
Give us 1 second, right?
They're over there. Hey, guys, play fucking smart. Get down the field. Stay alive. Shoot your guns. Let's go, boys. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team!
Hey, guys, get ready.
Ross, get on the other side, right here.
Yeah!
Let's go, boys. Go, Ross. Hey, get him out! Hey, Ross! Hey, your mirror, Ross. Hey, guy in the middle, Kevin! Yep. G1! G1! Say, Ross, your mirror. Hey, your mirror in the left wood pile. G1! Hey, 91! Hey, G2! Hey, Aaron! Mateo's in the back center! Kevin, stay alive! Stay alive, Kevin! Stay alive, Kevin! Hey, Kevin! He's at the left wood pile, the middle wood pile, and the middle. Listen to me, Kevin, we're pushing the C. Hey, Aaron! Middle, left, and back left! Hey, G3! Hey, G4! Back left only! Stay alive, Kevin! Hey, G4! Back left only! Hey, stay alive, they're going behind him. Kevin, that's it, G5.
Appreciate it.
Oh, come on.
There you go.
Good game, guys. Thank you. Good game, guys.
Is that what it was?
Spider crew.
What?
Great fucking playing, boys. Great fucking playing, guys. Great playing, guys.
I keep calling flashes.
How do you feel when we're like G1, G2?
Oh, I'm just letting you guys do your thing, dude. I'm shooting the draw guns, and I'm just keeping shit alive. I'm letting you guys do your thing, dude. It's just like we always talk about. It's gonna come from somewhere.
Ellie's like, I'm going. I'm like, all right, go.
There's nobody.
But hey, on the good note, those guys got a lot of points on these wood fields.
Yeah.
You guys got a lot of points on these wood fields. Keep going, okay? Keep going, Mateo. Keep going, guys. That game was the toughest game right there.
I had no idea how far back that boundary
was on that far side.
Yeah.
Because Elliot was literally in like the brush. I didn't see him at all.
Right. Yeah, I saw you line up there in the middle. Who went into the not Nick Brown, but next to him, Parker?
No, that was Alexis, and her gun went down.
Did I bounce you off the brake?
Yeah.
I saw you trip or something.
Yeah, the mud. I slipped in the mud.
Yeah. Be careful. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. This time it wasn't me just pumping.
So hey guys, the next woods field's more straight up.
I haven't even walked over there yet.
Yeah, Crown.
Hey,